Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Hub. Today I'm going to teach you on how you can retrieve your archived emails. For that, you need to go on your Gmail. From these emails, I will archive one of the email. Let's go from the first one. Now you can see that I archived 2 emails. Now after that, firstly to see the archived messages, tap on the top left corner. Now there you can see the option all mail, tap over there. Now here in the third email, you can see the word inbox in a very small font. This means that this email is in the mailbox, but at the first and the second mail, you can't see the font inbox. This means the mail that are noted as the inbox are not archived. But the first and the second one that I archived earlier doesn't have the font inbox, which means it is in archive state. Now to retrieve the archive mail, all you have to do is tap on that mail. Now at the top right corner at the 3-dot line, tap over there. Now at the second you can see the option move to inbox, tap over there. Now you can see that this mail also has got the font inbox, which means that this has been retrieved from archive. Likewise, let's retrieve the second mail too. Tap at the top right corner, tap at the move to inbox option. Now you can see that all the mail including the first and second also has the font inbox, which means that all are retrieved from the archive. Which means that the first and second that I archived earlier has been retrieved to the mail. And this is how simply you can retrieve your archived emails in Gmail. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Hub. Thank you.